How is it like to be on a micro drama set?
It's very chaotic and it's fun, especially when they make those cringy edits with over dramatic music.
मुझे भी अब टेंशन आ रहा है ब्रो. आधा घंटा 40 मिनट हो गए. Nobody is here.
Hi, I'm Rashi. I'm the second AD on this project. It's a micro drama. I was in wrestling once before I started touring. I was doing a lot of events, so that's how I sort of knew this is something that is of my liking, or this logistical role, and obviously filmmaking is something that I have been interested in. Yes, I have had experience, like 8 experiences on ad shoots and independent projects like feature films or even short films for that matter. But this, like, you have a prep time become more time and we have a lot to cover. Like, obviously in 3 days we have to cover like 100-page script. So I'll just give you a brief about the structure. There is the director, then there can be a delay or the first AD, then there is the second AD and the second AD. So basically we are allocated roles. Like my role and responsibility here is to look after art. So everything regarding art, action props is also again, उसमें details है, research वगैरह I have to coordinate with the team, etc. Make sure that art is good. And oh great, I have to go. About the direction really is focusing on the storyline, जो भी feel, look and feel, जो भी like basically the creative aspect of filmmaking is looked after by the directing team. Yeah, assistant directors basically help the director do logistical work as well. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था कि हम छोटी-छोटी चीजों का ख्याल रखते हैं, continuity की और props की, और जो भी हमें scene में लगने वाला है, अगर कुछ टूटने वाला है तो we need to have like two of the same objects, stuff like that. And then there is the creative aspect where we have to look for the story continuity. If something is making sense in the story, how is it adding to the story, and likewise SG. Driving in chaos situation. नहीं ठीक है, कट करके ले सकते हैं. Actually, I took up a assistant cinematography role with Tail here.
No, you were the AC for the first 2 shows. वो कैसा experience?
जो हमारा AC तुम लोग ने छीन लिया, AD बना दिया उसको. All credits goes to you.
And the first 2 projects, I was there as an AC on shoot. And that is when I was helping out the direction team on set, and that is why they liked my job and they got me on board as an AD. It is exhausting on shoots because you have to come pre-maybe and you have to stay even after shoot. Like अगर props वगैरह आपको देखना है और सब जाने के बाद भी अगर आपको कोई चीजें देखनी हो तो you have to sometimes stay for long also, before and after. Look after your responsibilities, probably look after other people and their deliverables, whatever. See, ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपके बिना काम नहीं होगा, because काम हमेशा हो जाएगा. Like no matter what position you are in, which is good from work perspective, but then it also shows कि काम ज्यादा important होगा. I am in that thing कि अभी I am giving my work more priority. So I would naturally lean towards that, depending on what the commitment is. Obviously, like again, what as I said कि अगर डॉक्टर की है या फिर ऐसा कुछ important है, which is not reschedulable, then it becomes something that I would consider. जिसके लिए मैं काम को मना करती हूँ.
You should have like a hidden camera on you so that you capture the real essence.
Back up!